I understand English, but I can't speak. Have you ever felt like you can understand English when someone speaks, but you find it hard to respond? If this happens to you, do not worry. You are not alone. Many people around the world face this problem. It is common for learners to understand English but struggle to speak it. This video will help you understand why this happens and how you can overcome it step by step. Why can I understand but not speak? There are several reasons why you can understand English but not speak it easily. Let's look at some of the main reasons. Listening is passive, speaking is active. When you listen to English, your brain does not need to work as hard as when you speak. Listening is a passive skill. You hear the words and understand their meaning. But speaking requires you to think, choose the right words, form sentences, and pronounce them correctly. This is why speaking feels harder than listening. Fear of making mistakes. Many people are afraid of making mistakes when they speak English. They worry about using the wrong word, grammar, or pronunciation. This fear can stop you from trying to speak. Lack of practice. If you do not practice speaking English, it will not become natural for you. Just like learning to ride a bike or play a sport, speaking needs regular practice. Without it, you may understand English but feel stuck when trying to speak. Thinking in your native language. Many beginners think in their own language and then try to translate into English. This takes time and can make speaking slower and more difficult. Limited vocabulary. You might understand basic words but struggle to find the right words when speaking. A small vocabulary can make it hard to express your thoughts clearly. Not familiar with sentence structures. Understanding English sentences is easier than creating them. If you do not know the correct structure, it can make speaking harder. Now that you know why this happens, let's explore how you can improve your speaking skills. Tips to start speaking English. The good news is that you can improve your speaking skills. Here are some simple and effective ways to help you. 1. Start small. Begin with simple sentences. Do not worry about long or complicated sentences. For example, how are you? I like coffee. My name is Altaf. 2. Speak every day. Practice speaking English every day, even if it is just for a few minutes. Talk to yourself, your friends, or family members. The more you speak, the more confident you will feel. 3. Learn common phrases. Memorize useful phrases that people use in daily conversations. For example, can you help me? Where is the bus stop? I don't understand. 4. Think in English. Try to think in English instead of translating from your native language. For example, when you see an apple, think apple instead of translating it from your language. This will make speaking faster and easier. 5. Record yourself. Use your phone to record yourself speaking English. Listen to the recording and notice your pronunciation and mistakes. This will help you improve over time. 6. Join speaking groups. Find people who want to practice speaking English. You can join online groups, language exchange programs, or local clubs. Speaking with others is one of the best ways to improve. 7. Repeat what you hear. Listen to English speakers on TV, YouTube, or podcasts. Pause and repeat what they say. This will help you practice pronunciation and learn new phrases. 8. Practice tongue twisters. Tongue twisters are fun and help improve pronunciation. For example, she sells seashells by the seashore. How much wood would a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood? 9. Focus on fluency, not perfection. Do not worry about being perfect. Focus on speaking fluently. It is okay to make mistakes. Mistakes are part of learning. 10. Learn new words daily. Add 1 or 2 new words to your vocabulary every day. Try to use these words in your sentences. Overcoming fear of speaking. Fear is a big reason why people do not speak English. Here are some ways to overcome your fear. Start with people you trust. Practice speaking English with friends or family who will not judge you. Take small steps. Speak a little English every day. Start with 1 or 2 sentences. Celebrate your progress. When you speak English, even if it is not perfect, celebrate your success. Say to yourself, I am improving. Remember, everyone makes mistakes. Even native speakers make mistakes. Do not let the fear of mistakes stop you. Exercises to improve speaking skills. Here are some exercises to help you practice. 1. Mirror practice. Stand in front of a mirror and talk to yourself. Pretend you're speaking to someone. This helps build confidence. 2. Describe your day. At the end of the day, talk about what you did. For example, I woke up at 7 o'clock. I ate breakfast. I went to work. 3. Use flashcards. Write words or phrases on flashcards. Pick a card and make a sentence using that word or phrase. 4. Play word games. Play games like word association. For example, if someone says apple, you say fruit. This helps you think quickly in English. Role playing. Pretend to be in a situation like ordering food at a restaurant or asking for directions. Practice what you would say. Set realistic goals. It is important to set small, achievable goals for yourself. For example, week 1, learn 10 new words and use them in sentences. Week 2, practice speaking for 10 minutes every day. Week 3, join an online speaking group. Be patient. Learning to speak English takes time and effort. Do not expect to become fluent overnight. Celebrate small victories and keep practicing. The more you practice, the better you will become. Final words. Understanding English but not being able to speak is a common problem, but it is not permanent. With regular practice, patience, and confidence, you can improve your speaking skills. Remember, everyone starts as a beginner. Do not be afraid to speak. Every word you say brings you closer to fluency. Keep going, and you will succeed.